Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, how's life? Solihah. Okay, with Miss Isti. Okay, today we are going to learn names of objects to take on a trip and use reflexive pronouns. Unit 2, Costa Rica. Okay, before study, please prepare your English book, your notebook, your pens, or your pencil ya. Okay, are you ready? Let's say basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, now please open your book, page 15. Okay, look at the picture. What do you think about the picture? Is it a volcano or a mountain? Good. The picture is a volcano, the Arenal volcano of Costa Rica. Costa Rica is south of Mexico and west of Colombia. Costa Rica ada di bagian selatan Meksiko dan bagian barat dari Colombia. Many beautiful birds, lizards, frogs, and butterflies live in the jungle in Costa Rica. Ada banyak burung, lizard, katak, dan kupu-kupu tinggal di hutan Costa Rica. Okay. You can climb the volcano in the north. Kalian juga bisa mendaki puncak volcano di bagian utara. Now, please listen. Dear children and parents, school trip next week. The teachers and children in 6th grade are going to stay for 2 nights at Bear Mountain Hotel. You will need pajamas, a toothbrush, and a towel. On Thursday, we are going to climb the mountain. Please bring a jacket, pants, and sneakers. We are going to watch birds on the mountain. The teacher will have binoculars for you to share. Bring sandals and swimming costume, bathing suit. We are going to go to the beach on Friday. Carry everything in a small backpack. You can bring some candy, but you must share it with the children and teachers. Have a great time. The principal. Okay, now, please answer the question. What are the children going to do? Okay, apa yang anak-anak akan lakukan? Very good. Yeah, they are going to stay tonight at Bear Mountain Hotel. Climb the mountain, watch birds, and go to the beach. Jadi, mereka akan tinggal selama 2 malam di Bear Mountain Hotel. Lalu mendaki gunung, lihat burung-burung, dan pergi ke pantai. Okay, next. Who is the letter to? Ditujukan untuk siapa suratnya itu? Good, the children in year 6. Ya, ditujukan untuk siswa kelas 6. Okay, next. Who wrote it? Why? Okay, siapa yang menulis suratnya? Why? Mengapa? Okay, and the principal wrote it. Jadi kepala sekolah yang menulisnya. To give information about the school trip. Ya, untuk memberikan informasi tentang perjalanan sekolah. Okay. Do you like school trip? Of course, yes. Okay, next. Okay, please look at the highlight word in the letter and let's check the vocabulary. Number 1, you use this to brush your teeth. So, toothbrush. Okay, sikat gigi. Toothbrush. Next, you use this instrument to see distant object. Binoculars. Teropong. Good, binoculars, teropong. Next, to take in your hand. Carry, membawa. Carry, membawa. Next, to give some of your things to other people. Share, berbagi. Okay, share, berbagi. Okay. Next vocabulary. You use this to dry your body after taking a shower. Towel, handuk. Ya, towel, handuk. Next, you wear this in the swimming pool. Bathing suit, good. Bathing suit or swimming costume, baju renang. Bathing suit. Next, to wear this outside when it's cold. Jacket, ya, jacket. To have with you when you come to a place. Bring, membawa. Good, bring, membawa. Oke, kalian bisa menuliskan kosakata tadi di buku tulis kalian. Oke, sebagai catatan. Next, let's learn about pronoun. What is pronoun? Yaitu kata ganti. Subject pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. And next, reflexive pronoun. Myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourself, themselves. Oke. I, reflexive pronounnya yaitu myself. You, yourself. He, himself. She, herself. It, itself. We, ourselves. They, themselves. Oke. Reflexive pronoun itu diakhiri dengan self, itu kalau tunggal, singular. Kalau jumlahnya cuma satu. Nah, kita akhiri dengan selves, itu kalau plural, kalau banyak jumlahnya. Oke, coba. Kapan kita menggunakan pronouns? Reflexive pronouns. Oke. Using a reflexive pronoun means you do not have to repeat at the subject because the subject and the object are same. Nah, jadi kita menggunakan reflexive pronoun itu ketika subjek sama objeknya itu sama. Coba look at the picture, coba lihat gambarnya. Subjeknya saya. Verb, kata kerjanya melihat. Objeknya juga saya. Ya, saya melihat diri saya sendiri di kaca. Nah, subjek sama objeknya sama-sama diri saya. Nah, biasanya dalam satu kalimat ada subjek, verb, kata kerja sama objek. Contoh, dari gambar tadi bisa dilihat bahwa subjeknya I, saya. Verbnya see, melihat. Objeknya myself. Oke, saya melihat diri saya di cermin. Nah, di sini karena subjek sama objeknya sama, maka kita menggunakan reflexive pronouns I, yaitu dengan myself. Oke, coba kita lihat contohnya langsung ya, biar paham. Reflexive pronoun may also be used as the object of a preposition. For example, Jack is talking to himself. Oke, himself di sana sebagai object of preposition. Jadi himself menggantikan Jack. Jack sedang berbicara dengan dirinya sendiri. Nah, oke, contoh lain ya, coba biar lebih paham. Bella and Rara, they are cooking for themselves. Bella dan Rara sedang memasak untuk diri mereka sendiri. Nah, themselves di sana yaitu reflexive pronoun dari they. Nah, sekarang Via brings a towel to dry herself. Via membawa handuk untuk mengeringkan dirinya. Nah, Via di sini kata gantinya she. Nah, she reflexive pronounnya yaitu herself. Oke. Coba sampai sini paham? Coba kalau belum, coba open your book page 17. Coba kita latihan soal ya biar lebih paham. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. Kelly and Jack are enjoying blah 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 in Costa Rica. Herself or themselves? Themselves, good. Karena di sana Kelly and Jack. Kelly and Jack itu kata gantinya they. They reflexive pronounnya yaitu themselves. Jadi jawabannya number 1 themselves. Okay, next number 2. Kelly takes a towel to the waterfall to dry. Herself or myself? Herself, good. Kelly itu kata gantinya she. Nah, she reflexive pronounnya yaitu herself. Jadi jawabannya nomor 2 yaitu herself. Number 3. Jack is talking to himself or ourselves? Himself, good. Jack kata gantinya he. He reflexive pronounnya yaitu himself. Okay, number 4. I am not talking to blah blah blah. I am talking to the parrot, says Jack. Himself or myself? Myself. Oke, karena I itu kata gantinya, refleksif pronounnya yaitu myself. The last, number 5. The parrots are washing blah 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 in the water. Themselves or ourselves? Themselves, good. The parrots itu kata gantinya they karena banyak ya. Maka refleksif pronounnya yaitu themselves. Jadi jawabannya themselves. Oke, sampai sini paham? Any question, Shofa? Oke. Kalau enggak, let's review. Ingat ya, singular itu ada I, refleksif pronounnya myself. You, yourself, he, himself, she, herself, it, itself. Plural, kalau jamak jumlahnya banyak ada we menjadi ourselves, you, yourself, they, themselves. Oke, diingat-ingat ya, kalau perlu dicatat di buku tulis sebagai catatan. Oke, thanks for today. Oke, see you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.